So stick around if you want to see what I picked up at Fashion Nova. Spoiler alert, it's actually pretty good. Fashion Nova reached out to me and they said, hey Crystal, why don't you go on our site, pick out a costume, pick out some accessories, and build your own costumes. And I said, hey Fashion Nova, that sounds like a lot of fun. I'm definitely going to do that. So I did. So I have 3 costumes to show you guys. So this is gonna be a quick and dirty video. But 2 of which I kind of threw together myself and I'm very proud of. And one was one of their like pre-made, like packaged costumes that is just blowing my mind. I'm gonna save that one for last, even though it's absolutely in the thumbnail because I cannot get enough of it. So I'm going to start with my first one. So I put together kind of a makeshift Jessica Rabbit. Now the reason I did this is because that's not an easy costume to find, and plus you kind of do have to throw it together. And Fashion Nova had everything I needed to make it happen. So the first thing I did was I grabbed the purple gloves. I like these because there's a good bit of stretch in them. So they actually do go up to my elbow, which is awesome. I'm size 16. If you guys are new here, I'm wearing size 16 top. So there's actually, I got some chunky forearms, you know, I got some thick forearms, but these go up real nice and they feel like they don't pinch or anything. They fit really great. They're also very schmecksy. I do enjoy them quite a bit. So I grabbed the purple gloves, which I feel is such a signature part of the Jessica Rabbit aesthetic. And then I found this gorgeous little red dress. It's actually not a little red dress. It's like the most dramatic red dress. However, I do feel like with this slit, there's gonna be no way that people will like mistake you for Jessica Rabbit. And I love these types of DIY costumes, by the way, for my babes that are really good at makeup. Like for my babes that are makeup artists that have interest, because someone like a Jessica Rabbit is so heavily dependent on that cartoonish makeup that I think if you're good at makeup, you could have a great time with this. Save your money on the costume itself, get your pieces, and then go ham on the makeup. So this is a dress that you can absolutely wear beyond Halloween. However, it has a sweetheart neckline, which again, very synonymous with Jessica Rabbit. It has a very cut to the body bodice, so that way it is nice and tight fitting. Got this in a 3X, by the way. It's a little bit big on top as per usual, and then I don't have Spanx on with any of these costumes. So what you're seeing is like a worst case scenario. I would absolutely probably wear like a Spanx, or at the very least like a Spanx boy short or a power short. I'll link some down below. But this beautiful little dress, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So the slit comes up to mid-thigh in the front, and then you get this gorgeous big train. So where Jessica Rabbit's slit was like kind of up on the thigh, you're getting a slit down the middle, which kind of gives the same effect, and you're still getting the length in the train of this dress. It's so pretty. But I also love it if you have like a winter formal coming up, or if you have a Christmas party coming up that you want to wear like a really beautiful, stunning red dress for. This would absolutely double with that. So I would actually really recommend this one, especially too if you're like me and you have a hard time getting things to fit. This would be one worth tailoring if you do plan on wearing it twice, which I mean, I can't see why you wouldn't, because you could absolutely use this as a Jessica Rabbit thing, and then again for the holidays. So lovely, lovely dress. I just can't get over all this fabric at the bottom. It is to die for. And then the last piece of this, which I did not put on in the try-on portion so as to not ruin my hair, but I did want to show it to you. I did also get the, that's called the cherry wig. I'll link everything down below. But I did get a long red wig. Ooh, I got a wig cap over here. To put with it. And this is really gonna obviously clinch the whole, like your Jessica Rabbit thing. So it's a beautiful, beautiful red wig. It's synthetic. It has a little bit of a bang to it. That's kind of adorable. I feel like this could also work for like a Little Mermaid vibe as well. But I really like this wig. I think it's really cute. It's really well made and is gonna be absolutely perfect for this whole vibe. So that is my Jessica Rabbit aesthetic from Fashion Nova. So this next look was absolutely 1000% inspired by these wings. These wings, okay, are gorgeous, first of all. They are so ridiculously well made. They are nice and sturdy. The feathers are beautiful. So if you are into like the darkness, as it were, or you want to be like a dark angel or something, these are actually incredible quality wings. They do come with these little lacy bits so you can tie them on to get like the perfect fit. I saw these on their site and I thought, okay, I need to do some sort of like sexy dark angel vibes. So I picked these up and then I paired with it, let me sit these guys down. They're just so cute. So I paired with it these gloves from Fashion Nova, these lace gloves. Now these do not have the space in them that the purple ones do. These are not, they're not as stretchy at all. So they do kind of pinch a little bit on my forearms when I get them on, but you could always cut them too to be not like full length, but like kind of little hand gloves or something. But these are very cute. So I paired that, and then I found this great little faux satin mini dress. This is such a cute little naughty look. Oh my gosh, to die for. So if you're going out clubbing, or you want to just go to a party and make a statement with the wings and let the wings speak for themselves and do something really amazing with your makeup, I love this little dress. This is also another one that can go far beyond Halloween, obviously, but it's just a little satin mini dress. So cute, fits really nice, comfortable. Obviously, like I said, you can see like my stomach outline, so I would absolutely wear like a shapewear choni with it, but I kind of love this together. It's really simple, but it's fun, and the wings are such a statement that I feel like you really don't need much else. Kind of let them speak for themselves. And again, if you love makeup and you want to do something fun with makeup, this is a great opportunity to let your skills shine. One year, I did a devil look, kind of similar to this, and I had found some crystals at Michael's, and I had like glued them onto my face, and I had to like this big like crystal thing with like all these red crystals and stuff. So I feel like for this I would get like some black ones and do something really cool there and do black lipstick. There's just so much you can do with something like this. So please use this opportunity to let your creativity fly. I would also, if it's cold, pair this. If it's cold, I was gonna say pair this with some fishnets if it's cold. That's not gonna save you, but pair this with some fishnets because it'll be hot. So, you know, anyway, there is my dark angel look. Okay, y'all, I saved the best one for last. When I saw this, and I got this, and I got it in the mail, I was like, there's no way in hell that's gonna fit. Mistake number one, it fits great. And number two, I'm going to look like an idiot. I do not look like an idiot. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So this is like, I don't know what they call it. Some version of like Catwoman, not Catwoman. What is it called? Cat fight costume. Well, look at us avoiding copyright issues. Okay, so it is a black jumpsuit made out of like, I don't know, this like trash bag material, whatever. It's so great. It has a zip. I thought the zip was down the back. It is not. It goes in the front because Fashion Nova with the cleavage, you guys know. Fits awesome, stretches really nice. It has a cool kind of pattern and print to it. It's nice and long, so if you're tall, I feel like you're not gonna have any length issues with this. Paired it with a pair of heels, unzipped it as low as I could, and then I paired it with the belt that it comes with. It comes with one of these seatbelt belts. Now I will say this is my only complaint about this costume, is that I got it in a size 2X, 3X, and I have a relatively small waist for the size, like for the rest of me. And this like fit me just barely. And I wish that there would have been a little more room for my thicker babes, because I feel like unless you have a very small waist, this belt may not work for you. That being said, I don't know that you need the belt. So just something to note there. But I feel like once it was stretched out, this is about as far as I could get it. Fit me just well, so I loved it. And then it comes with the ears, because of course it does. Amazing. And then it comes with this little mask, this like little like sequin masquerade mask. I really thought I was gonna look like a dingbat. And now I love the cat fight costume. I think it's kind of amazing. Like, I really think it's kind of amazing, you guys. So I don't know what to do. Let me know what your favorite costume was down in the comments down below. And would you wear any of them at all? Should I wear any of them for Halloween? Should I be Jessica Rabbit, which I've done before. Should I be the Dark Angel, because those wings are like amazing? Or should I go with the cat fight? I don't know. Anyway, that is it for me and this Fashion Nova haul. Thank you so much for Fashion Nova to sending all this stuff over to me. This was so much fun. I love Halloween. I love getting dressed up. This is just like the greatest time of the year. So let me know your thoughts down below. I will talk to you guys in the comments. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. I love you so much. I'll see you next time.